So on this side, we see that we have no pressure on that feed inlet pressure gauge here. We usually want to see between 200 to 300 psi. Since we don't have any there, we're going to kind of go over common things that can cause this. So the first thing I want to discuss will be our Y screen, which is located right underneath this point here. All right, for this we're going to go through cleaning your Y screen on your inlet side of your machine. So I have it here removed from the machine. Obviously this can all be done while it's still installed, but it's a little bit easy for to be able to see and explain what's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this nut here to access it. So I'm going to get a wrench, I'm going to break it loose, and then we're going to remove it. And it's important to note, once this is actually installed in your machine doing this, you want to make sure you bleed off all your pressure because this is under pressure, and you'll want to be careful of that. Once you get it removed, it'll look like this. You'll have a gasket, you'll have a screen, and you'll have this spring on the inside of that to kind of keep its shape. Now it's important to note that this screen filters from the inside out. So if you remove it and you just look from the outside, if it looks clean, it may not actually be clean. You have to take a look on the inside. So remove that spring, check the inside, make sure it's clean. If it needs to be cleaned, use acetone, clean it up, reinstall your spring back inside of it, put it back into place, and you'll have your gasket to reinstall. And once that's reinstalled, you'll be able to start reinstalling it into your housing. We'll get it tight, hand tight for now, and then we'll go ahead and go back with the wrench, make sure that it's nice and tight. We don't want it to leak. Then once it's tight, you're ready to go.